In today's session, we will gently cleanse the skin, restore balance and clarity to the face. There will be no rush, every movement will be slow, every step will be intentional. Please allow your shoulders to relax, let your jaw loosen, and let go of all tension. Let's begin. Step 1. We begin with pre-cleansing. This step is essential. It removes surface dirt, makeup residue, excess oil, and pollution. Using a soft cotton pad, we gently sweep across the skin, slow strokes, from the center of the face outward, across the forehead, down the cheeks, around the nose, and along the jawline. This prepares the skin to receive deeper treatment. Notice how the skin already begins to breathe. No pressure, just light, gentle motions. Step 2. Now, we introduce warm water. Not hot, just comfortably warm. Warm water helps soften the skin and gently opens the pores. We slowly splash the face, allowing the warmth to relax the muscles. The pores begin to loosen. Blackheads and trapped oil become easier to remove. Take another deep breath. In and out. Step 3. Next, we apply a gentle foaming cleanser. Dispense a small amount into the palms. Rub softly to create a rich, airy foam. We begin massaging the cleanser onto the face. Circular motions. Very slow, very soothing. Across the cheeks, around the nose, up the forehead, and down the chin. This cleanser penetrates into the pores, lifting dirt and excess sebum. Listen to the soft sound of foam. Feel the calming rhythm. After 1 full minute, we rinse gently with warm water. The skin now feels clean, fresh, and ready. Step 4. Now comes one of the most relaxing steps, steam therapy. Warm steam flows gently over the face. The heat opens the pores further. Sebum softens. Blackheads loosen. We allow the steam to work for several minutes. No touching, just relaxation. This step is crucial for safe blackhead removal. Take this time to breathe deeply. Step 5. With the pores now open, we carefully analyze the skin. We look closely at the nose, the sides of the nose, the chin, the forehead. These are common blackhead zones. Some blackheads are small and oxidized. Some are deeper and more compact. We take note. No removal yet. Preparation is key. Step 6. Before extraction, hygiene is essential. Hands are sanitized thoroughly. Tools are sterilized. Clean tools protect the skin and prevent irritation or infection. Everything is calm. Everything is controlled. Step 7. We begin extraction very slowly. Using gloved fingers, we apply gentle pressure around the blackhead. Never force, never rush. A soft press, release, then press again. The blackhead begins to rise. Once released, it is removed cleanly. Each extraction is followed by a gentle wipe. The skin is respected at all times. Step 8. For deeper blackheads, a sterilized extraction tool is used. The loop is placed gently around the pore. Pressure steady, controlled. The blackhead releases smoothly. No trauma. No harsh force. This method ensures clean removal while protecting the surrounding skin. Step 9. Between extractions, we pause. We apply light pressure with fingertips. This calms the skin and reduces redness. The rhythm remains slow. This is not just treatment. This is therapy. Step 10. After extractions, we cleanse again. A mild, calming cleanser is massaged onto the skin. This removes leftover debris and refreshes the pores. Rinse gently. The skin looks clearer already. Step 11. Now we introduce cool water. Cool water helps close the pores and calm the skin. We splash slowly. The sensation is refreshing. Redness begins to fade. The skin feels tight, but comfortable. Step 12. Next, we apply a soothing toner. This balances the skin's pH and removes any remaining impurities. Pat gently into the skin. Just light taps. The toner calms, hydrates, and prepares the skin for healing. Step 13. Now comes a calming serum. Rich in soothing ingredients. It penetrates deeply into the skin. We apply drop by drop. Massage slowly. This helps repair the skin barrier and reduce inflammation. Step 14. A cooling mask is applied evenly across the face. This mask soothes irritation, tightens pores, promotes healing. We leave the mask on for several minutes. This is a perfect moment to rest. Breathe slowly. Feel the calm. Step 15. The mask is gently removed. The skin underneath looks calm, fresh, and clean. No harsh redness, just natural clarity. Step 16. We finish with a lightweight moisturizer. This locks in hydration and protects the skin barrier. Massage gently, slow strokes, upward movements. The skin is now balanced and nourished. Step 17. We begin a very gentle skin repair massage. This step helps to calm the skin after extraction, improve blood circulation, reduce any remaining tension. Using the fingertips, we start with slow, soft movements. Light upward strokes on the cheeks. Small circular motions around the nose. Gentle smoothing across the forehead. No pressure, only a soft, comforting touch. The skin begins to relax again. Step 18. Next, we apply pure aloe vera gel. Aloe vera helps to cool the skin, reduce redness, support natural healing. Small amount is taken and gently applied to the face. Soft tapping motions. Tap, tap, tap. No right. The skin immediately feels cool, calm, and refreshed. Step 19. We allow the skin to air dry naturally. No towel. No tissue. Just stillness. The gel slowly absorbs into the skin. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Enjoy this quiet moment. Step 20. Now, we gently focus on pore care, especially in areas where blackheads were removed. The nose, the sides of the nose, the chin, fingertip contact helps the skin feel secure and calm. The pores begin to settle back into their natural state. Step 21. Next, we apply a lightweight, gel-based moisturizer. This moisturizer hydrates without clogging pores, keeps the skin balanced, feels fresh and breathable. Apply slowly, using upward motions. The skin now feels hydrated, smooth, comfortable. Step 22. Now, a few important aftercare tips. If this treatment is done during the day, apply a gentle sunscreen. Avoid direct sunlight. If this treatment is done at night, do not wash the face again. Avoid heavy products. Let the skin rest. Step 23. This is the skin rest phase. This time, no makeup, no scrub, no harsh products. The skin repairs itself best when left undisturbed. Rest is part of healing. Step 24. This ASMR session is not only for the skin. It is also for your mind. Close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath. Silently say to yourself, I am calm, I am relaxed, I feel safe. Let your body soften. Step 25. Now, observe the results. The blackheads are removed. The pores are clean. The skin looks fresh and calm. There is no unnecessary redness. This is the result of gentle, proper deep cleansing. Step 26. To maintain these results, deep cleanse once or twice a week. Wash your face daily with a gentle cleanser. Drink enough water. Eat balanced, healthy food. Consistency keeps the skin clear.